The chef for today, what are you cooking?
Long time no chicken adobo.
Yeah,
no?
we're graving chicken adobo.
For 8 months?
Since August, no?
Since August,
I think we're vegetarian since August and we miss chicken adobo. So we found the perfect alternative. It's a vegan chicken fillet.
We tried to fry it last week, last week, and it tastes like chicken. So I hope it's
good actually.
And we have
in the adobo.
And also they went to Asian store.
Some okra.
Long time no okra.
And we have some. Looks
eggplant.
Pretty gross, but eggplant.
It's a Tortang talong again.
Yeah.
It's a long time.
Did you already put the chicken?
Yeah.
I hate this camera.
So much onion.
And of course we have some rice. I'm the
rice cooker.
Because we had a rice cooker before, but the problem is
she burned it. She burned it.
I had it on the stove and I put on the wrong plate and the rice cooker was on it. But who needs a rice cooker? Food is ready.
Look like chicken adobo, no? That's mine.
That's Nikko. That's mine. Chicken adobo. Nice.
Long time.
Yeah.
It's so chickeny. You call that chickeny?
Tastes like chicken. Oh, how I missed one. So now we have to find something alternative for lechon.
Not gonna happen.
I actually need a knife. I don't know about you, but
no, I'm a Filipino.
Alright.
My knife is my spoon.
I'm not a Filipino, obviously.
Oh, try it.
Wait. My chicken got dry.
He was sitting for a while. We put Alon to sleep.
It's so good.
He's so annoyed.
Tired.
What? How was the review?
It's pretty good.
Wow.
It's chicken adobo.
We unlocked all. It's good.
I really like the taste of okra.
And the soup? No.
No, in general, I just hate the sliminess. That one is not that bad because it's so thin. But on the big ones, it's very slimy.
The big ones are more tasty for me.
To eat the whole.
What's the other chicken for dinner?
I'm hungry.
Finishing it today. Oh, I think I cook good.
It's not cooking often, but cooking good.
The thing is, I like to cook, but it's mostly spicy.
And I don't like spicy.
The opposite.
I don't either.
We're moving away from Austria in the past months.
In the past months?
In the next month. Julie, go. Sorry.
Didn't move yet.
Yeah. In the next months, we're going somewhere else. We're gonna visit my family.
Guess where we're going?
Antarctica. It's not that. Oh, Alon.
Once more.
Alon hungry. Long time no okra.
I actually hate watching videos where people are eating because I can't deal with the chewing noise.
Now we're eating. Whoopala! We are on the mystery forest. this forest has a...
Which forest?
This has a very, I don't know, historical events happen in this forest, no?
Yep.
Like they burned the witches.
The witches got burned.
They have witch in Austria.
Yeah.
She can tell the story later when we are
I
at
can't tell the whole story.
Yeah, but it's written there, no?
Maybe.
There we can see. Now you can tell us the story.
I'm reading.
Okay.
I don't know the story.
I can't read.
I only know that witches, there's like one spot where they got burned.
It's here. That's probably how they burn it. No, this one, no? Like that one, they burn it like this. No?
Yeah.
It's a very mysterious forest.
Yeah. I mean, it's literally like when you go to that place where they got burned.
Mm-hmm. There's
I don't know,
energy.
you can, yeah, there's a special energy.
Wow. Are we going there?
The
No.
witches. Actually, from
They are
here,
not-
I'm not 100% sure where I have to go.
What,
I'm
Alan?
only passing by there on accident.
But the witches are like the like the user of herbs, right?
Yeah, also like that.
They're not real witch. They're just herbal
They
people.
just fought their witches and then they burned them.
It was way back 15.
Before 1588.
Before 1588.
Mm.
Unfortunately, there's a lot of people died, no, because of it.
Yeah. Definitely.
Maybe in summer we can find a place where they burn the witches. Not really witches. It's like the people who rely on herbs and vegetables, no?
Vegetables?
Herbs. Oh, yeah, this is
Herbs.
Herbs and vegetables, no?
Herbs.
Herbs. Yeah. Maybe summer when it's warmer
Yeah.
and the daylight is longer.
Yeah.
We don't have time.
We will go to where the people got burned, but
Maybe
first
next
of all,
time.
I'm not really sure where to go.
You have to research.
I know where it is, but it kind of looks the same in that forest, so I mostly pass by there if I'm not really planning on it. And it's cold, and I think then I have to carry home a lot, and I don't want to do that.
For now, it's picnic time.
Yeah, we eat. Best thing to do.
Home.
And then go.
Maybe when it's
Back.
warmer, we can explore more on this forest, no?